put together this bird bath. And as you can see right here, it comes in this beautiful green color. Has the little birds on the sides, which are super cute. See them right there? And this is a super quick install. It just has 3 poles. The thing you set under it, and then this stake, you put it right down into the ground. It comes with these instructions that, as you can see, super simple to put together. So today we're going to put this together really quick here, and I'm going to show you this beautiful bird bath. There you have it, our beautiful bird bath. Thank you for watching.